Welcome to this tutorial, and thank you for joining me today. In this video, we will be learning how to create a new project in Android Studio. Whether you are just starting with Android development or looking to refresh your knowledge, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and simply. First, open Android Studio and click on the three lines at the top, left corner. Next, go to File, then click on New and select New Project. Then, choose the Empty Activity option and click Next. After that, enter a name for your project and decide whether to keep the default save location or choose a different one. Next, select the minimum SDK for your project. While you can pick different options, it is generally recommended to choose the maximum minimum that supports most devices. Finally, click on Finish, and Android Studio will create your new project. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.